right back with more of the Jason Ringer Show right after the break.
Marlene! Jason Ringer's on. It's about to start. That Brian Seacrest sure has a weird accent.
Daddy, can I please change the channels? Please, please, pretty please.
You will never beat me. Never, never.
The power of Christ compels you. The power of Christ compels you. The power of Christ. Oh my God, it is not working.
Don't worry, kid. I got this. Bet you didn't see this coming. Your days are over, Vector.
Not so fast, Superboy.
Are you looking for an exotic vacation destination? Well, you have checked the right place. Hola, señorita. Come to Mexico. Have a margarita under the sun. We'll even throw in a free sombrero. Bonjour, mademoiselle. Come to France. Nothing better than a romantic evening in Paris. Ooh la la. Paris is a smelly. Come to Italia. Magnifico. The best pasta your lips will ever taste. Welcome back to Jason Ringer. Dude, where am I? What's up with all the cameras? I'm gonna get famous. Awesome. And you are not the father.
Well, even I could have told you that. That's it, Marlene. Pass me a beer.